In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a goal in Asana. This versatile tool can help you stay organized and efficient, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps to set up your goals effectively in Asana. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the left panel in your Asana dashboard. You'll see an option labeled Goals. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to setting up clear and achievable objectives within the platform. Once you're there, look for the Create Goal button and click on it. This will bring up a new window where you can start defining the specifics of your goal. Now, let's get into the details. The first field you'll encounter is for the goal name. Here, you'll want to enter a title that clearly encapsulates what you aim to achieve. Be specific yet concise, so anyone reading it understands the objective without any further clarification. Next, it's time to assign the goal owner. This is the person responsible for overseeing the progress and ensuring the goal is on track. After selecting the goal owner, you'll need to choose the members involved in achieving this goal. Adding members helps to share responsibilities and fosters collaboration, making it easier to accomplish the goal. Now that you've set up who will be working on this goal, it's important to determine the time frame. Select a time period that makes sense for the goal's nature and scope. Setting a realistic deadline is crucial, as it adds a sense of urgency and helps prioritize tasks. Privacy is another essential aspect you'll need to consider. Decide whether your goal should be public or private. Public goals are visible to your entire organization, which can promote transparency and collective achievement. On the other hand, private goals restrict visibility to specific individuals, suitable for more sensitive objectives. You've now successfully created your goal, but there's one more important step to take. It's time to configure how the goal is tracked. This is done by clicking on Progress Settings. Asana offers multiple ways to track progress, including using sub-goals, projects, tasks, or even manual updates. Let's choose projects for this example. After selecting projects, you'll see a button to connect a project. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to choose the project you'd like to associate with your goal. Once you've made your selection and successfully connected the project, all progress within that project will be tracked and reflected in the goal you've created. And there you have it. You've now set up a goal in Asana, and your project progress is seamlessly integrated into its tracking. This simple but powerful process ensures you stay focused on what truly matters, with all your efforts aligned toward achieving your objectives. Stay tuned for more useful guides and happy goal setting.